Oh, whoops. There's a chair underneath you.
Oh, you had to smack the chair.
No! Not the school chair.
Alright, so today we're finally working on Dar's Jeep again. We're gonna get the front end under it today. We'll have the links built and maybe some Morties on it. So we can cut this thing in half later.
Grab hold of the front of that. It's only got one arm that works.
I'll try some of these. Nope.
Can bake.
We are four-linking the whole front end of this, so a little different than I built on my Toyota. Don't have to have a pan hard bar. For a little tougher. Dar's gonna get crazy with this one.
You ready to bounce some rocks?
Gonna
We
tip her over.
might bounce on her off.
Like Christmas.
Papa Dar Christmas. What do we have?
Okay. One done.
Yeah, I need one of them. To the left or right?
I think this is the left.
How do you tell? That mark right there is how you tell.
And then this mark right here.
See that?
That little notch in the middle. That tells you it's
Left-handed.
left-handed.
But you're right, you can tell by the threads too. But
Yeah.
the quick, easy way, just to look at it.
Just look at it. Just look at it.
It was so good.
Okay, that's where that has to be. I'll find a Sharpie.
I have a backup. Look, I literally brought a Sharpie today just
Check
in
this out.
case.
He sent a box full.
Oh my goodness.
I got those Sharpies and those Sharpies.
That's hilarious.
I can lose Sharpies all day. Landon will have everything he owns painted with a Sharpie now. Now we got to figure out an angle to have this match up on the frame with. I don't know how I want to do that. If I want to just, I don't know. Oh yeah, that's how I'll do it.
Do you need any more of these joints?
Yeah, put them all together.
We need 4 of them today.
Put them all together, then we won't lose them. That'll work. Got it figured out. That should be good. Love it. That'll work. We'll set this saw up to cut some 45s and not quite a 45, but it doesn't have to be for what I'm doing. I just need an angle. And I need them 5.5 inches long. Hello. Healthcare Enrollment Center. You get ourselves some healthcare. Yeah, that was Annie with the Healthcare Enrollment Center.
She's the best. What they should have done is got you some insurance for your Toyota, right?
I know.
Your extended warranty. You need extended warranty.
Tape measure and everything seems to be holding it up, so we're shut off. So when we cut this one, then we can cut 2 more on the angle. Well, we'll cut 1 and we'll get 2 out of it because I need
You're
to make
4.
4 of these. 2 for the front, 2 for the back, and then the other one's gonna be a little. It's gonna be a little funky. The top one. That new blade's so much better.
It's amazing what happens when you have teeth on the blade.
What did you do, Tyler?
What did you do? What did we do?
I think you done it.
I swear.
That one's 6.
What? I thought we went 5.5.
I don't know what we've got going here. And we don't want to build this today, Dar. That's 5.25. We're gonna go 5.25.
There we go.
5.25. That's gonna work.
I swear you measured.
I thought I measured.
Round 3. We're gonna get her.
You're right.
Sounds like Jace got out of bed
Oh, he's been doing burnouts up there.
in his $2 truck he bought.
$2 truck.
That's Bruce's old truck.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah, Jace went down there and was helping him do something, and he asked him about it. He said, "I'll take $2 and you can help me unload some hay." He bought it.
He says, no, seriously, what do you want for it? He says, $2.
Just
What I drove when I was that age?
tractor.
A 57 International with a flatbed and a rack on it.
Not quite enough. First one's a learner. We'll go set the other drill press up. Drill all the holes in the same spot. Bill, what size of hole is that?
Is that 9/16? I think they're 9/16.
Shorts, man. This guy's hardcore.
And a beach ball?
It,
You're in the wrong time of the year, man.
it's white sands out there,
It's
man.
snowing out there.
Is that 9/16?
That's pretty dang close, but I can deal with that. Is this 9/16? That is. What do you know? Check those out.
Whoa.
That's $140 of my life I can't get back.
But they look slick.
We'll see. They're supposed to be pretty awesome. I decided I don't want that exactly where I have it. I'm moving it down just barely. They're a quality bit for sure. Way better than all the other stuff I've been running. You know one thing we don't have?
What?
Bolts. I'll bet Dar didn't get bolts. Maybe we can find some in my junk. Ow.
Got him.
That thing was sharp. Just like we mend it. Clears everywhere all the way around. Mount to the frame, something like that.
Nice.
Now we just got to repeat and then blood.
Nah.
Yeah. Now I just got to build 3 more of them and we're
Exactly the same.
Yep. Anyway.
The question is, do we have bolts?
No, probably not.
That's what we figured.
I didn't think about both.
I didn't either. Honestly, never even thought about it.
That's the backup switch.
So when you shift it, turned it on. Gotcha.
So you can have backup lights. And this is a boot,
Shift the boot and cover.
shifting boot with an indicator in it so you can tell what gear you're in.
No way. This guy's high tech.
Yeah, he's
Hot
all
dang.
kinds of high tech on us.
Woo.
Done.
Bada bing, bada boom.
I'll grind them up now. Make them look pretty and not cut you all the time. And
Cut your hand, draw blood.
yeah, stab a hole in you. I need to build something kind of like this that goes on right there. 4-inch. Settled.
Settled.
4-inch pieces.
4-inch.
Doesn't sound like I'm gonna have any snow left out there by the time my kids get done tearing it up with a lawnmower and a truck. Okay. Seriously, I got 13 boxes of them. Yeah,
Is it still on that table over there?
must be. It's right where I left it.
It's a big old piece of wood.
Okay, what did I decide? 4 inches, right?
4 inches. We got it all figured out.
Oh yeah. All right, let's build those.
Gotta have my sugar-free drink.
He brought the bolts.
The lawnmower's out there stuck on between the path and the driveway, and he was out there pushing on it with it in reverse.
Well, there you go.
Maybe, right? I gotta shorten that side a little. That's easy to do.
So, yeah.
We may roll it down actually, like that. That's probably how I'm gonna mount it. Could fit better. That's like what we want. Somewhere? But you didn't know where. Where?
Oh, it's not that one?
It's not this one?
That one. That's the one I was looking for. I was gonna go.
Was this naked?
It would have. I was gonna go drill this hole in it.
Except that one. They look pretty cool.
Yeah, I think they'll work. We gotta figure out how to mount this.
Be longer or something. Just that gap.
I might have to cut this rib out. It's gonna be the best thing to do and then weld it right up the side. Yep. That's how it's going down. Cut this little piece out and then it should fit. Gonna have to do some customizing here. We can live with that. We can weld that. Lovely.
Lovely.
We'll set it back to the degrees we need. There. Just like that.
Power.
Yeah. You can't be yawning. It's still early in the day.
I yawn all day long. Remember I used to sleep
Oh
on
yeah.
the,
You're a narcoleptic and Mr. Bean. That's what we got.
Back to the welding board.
Then we can actually put this thing underneath this Jeep. One part down. Now we just got to figure out how long the links you want. We need two more. We need two right-handers. I guess we'll box that all in once we get it dealt with. Alright, there's one. That still works. We plan on changing all this hardware out to grade 8 stuff later on. This is all just mock-up. What are you up to?
Fabricating lives at my house.
Really?
Somebody sent you something. I don't know what.
Looks like
rechargeable
light.
light.
That's pretty cool.
Oh, they sent you 2 of them.
Yeah.
Nice.
Does it say who it is? We better check those out.
Whoa. That's
Adjustable.
bright.
Well, cool, thanks. Whoever sent those. That's pretty awesome. Just charge it
Yeah.
up. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome.
See you later.
See ya.
Keep that stove burning up there.
Big deal. I haven't even touched our wood yet in the shop.
I've got faith in you. I think you can get it burnt.
I probably.
There's still a couple months of winter left.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna have to move one of those to the inside. I may move it like 2 inches inside. I like it. Well, if you get those straight up like that, you're in trouble. What's gonna matter is this.
It's not bad right there.
Pretty close. Close? Close enough to
Close
do.
enough to measure.
Yeah, what we're gonna do here.
Whoa, right
Yep. That's bottomed out. Running out of gas. It's starting to not get a good weld.
Old Dave works water. He can have one of them in each hand and pushing them with his foot in the middle and roll through all across.
He's done it a few times,
He's
huh?
done it a few times.
See if it'll weld a little better.
Better weld.
Want to grab those other adapters? And then we'll be rear linked, or bottom linked.
Bottom
Yes. Oh, twist that in.
We're putting pretty lines in them. Threading it.
They've seen way harder use than that in their life.
Yeah. It's a lot of turns.
Let's do a quick measure and taping. Now we just gotta put them up there, weld them in place. Something of that nature right there is where they're gonna be. Problem is the frame's not straight right there, so we'll have to weld them in on an angle, but linked up. Okay, now we just gotta figure out where it will clear everything. This side's easy. No problem. Goes right where we need it to. One top link, how about that?
Footwork, hold on.
Just pull on the table and it'll fix it. Alright, see what we can make fit into this tight little spot that we've got for it here. We may be able to squeak it through there. We'll get them tacked into place. And if it fails miserably, we'll be like, well, that was a bad idea. I think 3 links is gonna be better like we originally planned. So now I just gotta put a plate, weld it on there, braces down the top of it to hold it. Should be able to make another one. We'll cut it 32.5, right? Let's do that. We'll get it cut and welded together so it can be cooled off. Hey, it's dark outside.
What?
Does that mean it's snowing really hard, or is it like late 30?
Colder tonight and more snow on the way.
More snow on the way?
That's Salt Lake.
Oh,
I think we just got a weather report from
yeah.
Dar.
That's what
Dar-
KSL said.
Left one goes there. We can't weld that one on until we can tell pinion angle. We can get this one welded in. I think the drive line should clear everything there. That's 4 inches. That's ride height.
Ride height's right there.
Cool. We may pull those, the front end in as far as we can pull it in, screw them in. I may break those off and we may move it backwards just barely too. All right, so we got a lot accomplished today. We didn't get as much as we planned on, but we got a lot done. The Jeep has links in it. It's holding the front end up. We just gotta build a pan hard bar now and basically put the worries on it. So it's all working out pretty much how we thought it was gonna. So
Yeah, looks pretty cool.